Welcome. If you've been using the X app to stay connected, you might already know about the Snooze feature in chats. It's a handy tool when you don't want distractions, but sometimes you might want to get those notifications back. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through how to turn off snooze on a chat in the X app, updated for the latest version. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look down at the bottom menu bar. You'll see several icons there, and what you're looking for is the message icon. Tap on the message icon to enter your inbox. This is where all your recent conversations and snoozed chats are stored. Next, scroll through your messages to find the conversation that has been snoozed. You'll know it's snoozed because it won't be sending you notifications as usual. Once you've located the chat, press and hold or long press on that specific conversation. When you do this, a small menu will appear with different options. Among these choices, you should see one that says, Turn off snooze. That's the option you'll need to select. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap, the snooze setting will be removed instantly, meaning your notifications for that chat are back on. From that moment forward, you'll start receiving alerts and updates from the conversation just like you did before snoozing it. This process is straightforward, but it makes a big difference when you're ready to stay updated with certain chats again. Whether it's friends, family, or colleagues, unsnoozing ensures you won't miss important messages that matter most. And that's it. You now know the simple steps to turn off snooze on a chat in the X app. Just open the app, tap the message icon, long press the snoozed conversation, and select Turn off snooze. With just a few taps, you're back on track and won't miss a beat. If you found these steps helpful, stay tuned for more quick guides to make using your favorite apps faster and easier. Thanks for watching.